What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, I told y'all before that I was gonna wait till the weekend to go ahead and start doing the paint remover on those 20-inch wire wheels, you know what I'm saying, the spoke wheels. So that's what we're gonna be doing in this video, you feel me? So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all like this video. Like I said, the only thing we really gonna be doing is stripping off the paint today. I ain't got no sealing or nothing to actually try to seal the wheels yet. I watched a few videos. I seen people use like clear silicone sealant, and then I also seen people use the spray. What is that commercial? Dang it, hold on, I got it in my phone. 1 second, y'all, 1 second. What is it? Oh, Flex Seal, that's the name of it. So I seen people use the clear spray Flex Seal and or the black spray Flex Seal. So I don't know which route I'm gonna go yet. By the time y'all get in this video, I done finished this stuff. So yeah, it is what it is, but I'm finna go ahead and get that done. It's hot in this car, so you know what, while I'm talking, turn the AC on. And we chill in the AC for a second. So yeah, man, like I said, I gotta go pull the wheels out. I already got the paint stripper and everything. I already got that. I've been having that for a while. Like when I first got them wheels the first time, like months ago, like during last summer, I had bought the paint stripper then because I was gonna strip that paint off and do it then. But yeah, if y'all did not know, these 20-inch wire wheels, spoke wheels, they are a set of 20s. They go to my Cutlass, and my dad had them painted before. He had them on a different car. He had this set of wheels on a different car, and he had the wheels painted to match that car. And he ended up selling the car but keeping the wheels, and he ended up getting the adapters basically for the wheels to go onto the Cutlass and just let them sit. So I decided to go ahead and get them. These wheels are temporary. These are not my final set of wheels. I want to go with a custom set of 22s and probably lower the car a little bit so it wouldn't be a huge gap with them 22s. But I'm not coughing up no money to get a custom set of $3,000 plus wheels right now. I can wait, you feel me? I'm not in a rush. The car still needs a lot of work and a lot of stuff done to it, but the car is going right now, so I just basically doing a little side quest and getting the paint off these wheels. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I gotta get the wheels out, and I gotta get the pressure washer machine out, and we're gonna do it like that. So catch y'all once I get out the car and get everything set up. And like I said, I hope y'all enjoy, so catch y'all in a second. Alright, man, so I am starting to sweat, but y'all look and see, pressure washer machine is out here, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to hook the water hose up, put some gas in. I'm pretty sure it's out of gas. Yep, bone dry. So gotta put some gas in it, and then got the wheels out. So if y'all are new, these are the 20-inch spoke wheels that I was talking about. 20-inch wire wheels, spoke wheels, whatever you want to call them. They the same thing. They got brand new valve stems on them, and I gotta get 4 new tires. But 20-inch tires, I seen I can get 4 of them for about $200, so that'd be about $50 a piece, you know. So I'm just basically waiting. I'm not in a rush to get the tires because for one, I don't even have the car right now. But one of the main things we need to do is strip this paint off, and if y'all look and see, there is the color underneath. So it's like a brush chrome type of look underneath it. And I know the wheels are pretty, some of them got some pretty hot spots in them, but I can get that stuff off by really just cleaning them. Look at that, it's coming off just like that. So all I really gotta do is just clean these wheels, but we will clean them after I get the paint off. So y'all see the green, this was a custom color my dad had sprayed on here when he had one of his other cars. I forgot what car he said he had it on, maybe one of his Deltas, I don't remember. But yeah, 20-inch spoke wire wheels, and we can strip the paint off of them. So here go my paint remover. Works on wood, metal, masonry, whatever it is. And yeah, all I gotta do, I read the instruction application. All I gotta do is open the container carefully, put some gloves on, protect my eyes, apply to an area no larger than 2 feet by 2 feet. So basically, I'm not gonna just spray it all on there. I got this little bucket. I'm gonna pour some in a bucket, get a paintbrush, scoop it, and then just brush it on there like that. Brush it on there like that. You can't go back and forth. It ain't like you're painting, so you're just gonna go strip. So just like that. And this is the only paintbrush I can find, so it'll be all right. So first thing I gotta do, I forgot my gloves. All right, hold on. 1 second, I need to go get some gloves so I don't get the stuff on my hands and stuff, and be protected as much as possible. So give me 1 second, let me go find some gloves. All right, y'all, so I just put, y'all can see it already working. I just put as much as I could on there with that paintbrush, but I'm definitely going to have to get like some paint remover spray so I can really get in them grooves. But y'all see it's definitely working, so I'm gonna have to let it sit. It said 2 to 5 minutes, so I'm finna run in the house, you feel me, just chill out for a couple minutes, probably drink me a bottle of water and run out, work out like that, you know what I'm saying? But look at it, y'all see it's activating. So like I said, I couldn't really get in the grooves because for one, that paintbrush is huge and that's the only paintbrush we have. I'm definitely gonna have to run to the store and get some spray paint remover, you know what I'm saying? So that way the paint will come off a little bit easier, and like I said, I can get in some of them grooves. But I gotta hook up the pressure washer, I gotta put some gas in it, make sure everything runs good with that, hook the water hose up, and like I said, after a few minutes I'm gonna spray it on off and with the pressure washer and see how much come off, and then rock out from there. I don't have much left in this can, y'all hear? It ain't a lot left in there, so yeah, I mean it's working though. Y'all see it's working. It's coming off literally right there. I don't want to get too close because for what, I don't want to put my hands on it because it said don't have direct contact with skin. So, but it's definitely working. It's definitely doing its job right now. Like I said, I couldn't get all the way in the grooves. I can flip it over and try to, but I still don't have a lot left in that can to try and do all that. So yeah, we're gonna try and see how much the pressure washer take off. Then I'm gonna look online, see what stores have some paint remover in the spray can, so I can just spray it and it'll be a lot easier. Get like 2 cans of that and it'll definitely be a lot easier. So yeah, it's working though. Everything's coming off. And like I said, I'm gonna go in the house for a couple minutes. I've already talked to y'all for almost 2 minutes now, so a couple more minutes. I'm gonna let it sit, then grab the pressure washer, hook it up, do all that, spray it off, see how much come off. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned, and I hope everything just come off well. Hope everything works well, you know what I'm saying? Move this bucket now. Yeah, hope everything works well. Hope everything turns out good. I hope I can get all this paint off because I really like these spoke wheels. I just like wire wheels in general, you know what I'm saying? I really like wire wheels, and I really want to put these on the cut list for, like I said, a temporary wheel until I get me a custom set of 22. So yep, I'll catch y'all hopefully when I'm start pressure washing. So catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so I'm not gonna say it was a total fail, but this was definitely a fail, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to try and find some different paint remover, paint stripper to get this stuff off, especially in the spokes, because I don't know, I thought I got it on there good, really good. I used dang near the whole bottle, you know what I'm saying? So I thought I got it on there really good, but I guess I didn't, you know what I'm saying? Even on this center part, I know for sure I got it good on the center part, but it just didn't remove all the paint. So yeah, I'm gonna have to try and figure out some more paint remover, something else to get, try and get this paint off. So this is part 1. There's gonna be some more parts to finishing this. So yeah, man, I'm kind of a little frustrated. I thought the pressure washer would even try to kick some of that paint off, but pressure washer couldn't even get half of it off. So we go ahead and show y'all. Y'all can look through and y'all can kind of see where the paint, well, y'all can see where the paint was. Well, I know for sure I got on this area good too, and it's not even coming off. I can scratch it, but it should have came off with the pressure washer a lot easier than that, because I got, if y'all look there, started pressure washing their concrete. So I really don't know. This should have came off a lot easier than how it started coming off, you know? I mean, I can go around and pick at it, but man, that's gonna take me hours to try and get all this paint off by picking at it. That pressure washer should have got it off way easier, bro. And if y'all look, it got some spots really good and then a lot of other spots not good. And I know some spots I did not get, like the back area I did not get with no paint remover. But regardless, bro, that pressure washer should have kicked all this paint off a lot easier than me. If y'all look and see, I could literally scratch this off, but that pressure washer should have easily got it, bro. I changed the nozzles on the pressure washer and everything. Nothing will happen. You feel me? It barely was kicking off paint. Y'all look there. I really don't know. So I'm gonna have to look up more something else to use to get the paint off. And like I said, man, by the time y'all getting this video, it's probably like a month later. You know, it's probably been so long since I dropped this video or recorded this video. I mean, I'm recording this video June 8th. June 8th is when I'm recording it. So I mean, y'all can still comment down below, let me know what y'all would have done differently. But man, by the time y'all get this, it's gonna be way past. It might be July, somewhere in July, you feel me? So yeah, let me go ahead and show y'all the rest of the wheel. So y'all seen that one, the second one. Like I said, man, I figured that pressure washer should have got all this paint off a lot easier, because I know for sure I got the top of these spokes very good. And I didn't, like I said, I didn't do it like a paint. You said don't do it like a paintbrush going back and forth. You're supposed to just go straight over. And that's what I did. Feel me? I followed the directions to a T. Even up here, this should have came off, and it's not. So like I said, I'm gonna have to look up something, see what I can figure out. It got barely the rings. I don't know. This is probably the best one out of all of them. It got more paint off of this one than the rest of them. I don't know, I just wanted to see the wheels without the paint on it, especially, you know what I'm saying. And I'm gonna have to really clean these wheels, because y'all see that rust is coming off really easy. So all I gotta do is clean the wheels. I tore up my slides and my socks. My socks got mud on them from this pressure washer. Man. And these my true religion socks too, bro. It is what it is now. At least I really seen how that paint remover is gonna do. So now I can try and look up, like I said, some more paint removers and see what I can go ahead and get. And like I said, we're gonna do a part 2 to this video to try and get all this paint out. Cause you feel me, a lot of this should have came off. Like I said, even this top, I know for sure I got this top part perfectly. I feel like all that paint should have been coming off, bro. But it is what it is, you know. Live and learn. Just keep going, you know. And this is the last one, the one with the bad tire on it that I need to pull off. It got, like I said, I don't know, bro. But like I said, I'm gonna look up some stuff to see what paint remover will be best to get, like car paint and stuff off, or wheel paint, or whatever paint, you know what I'm saying. Just look up something and see what I can find. Hopefully I can find something that showed me really what paint I should get. Paint remover I should get. Yep, bro. Sick about it. But you just gotta keep going, you know? You gotta keep going. So regardless, I'm gonna let these dry a little bit before I put them back up, because I don't want to track all this water and stuff in our shed. So yeah, like I said, y'all can leave y'all opinions in the comments, but it's been a while since I done recorded this video by the time y'all getting it. So this is part 1, and we're gonna finish it up after I'll do some more research, try to see what I can find. Like I said, I know they pressure wash, because I done pressure washed our sidewalk, and look how that came out. I should finish it on up. So I know they wanted the pressure washing. Like I said, we have different nozzles. I done changed the nozzles from the wide spray to the small little circle spray. I didn't change the nozzle, so yep. I don't know, figure something out. Like I said, I'm gonna look up some stuff and see what I can figure out, see what I can find, and just go from there. So so now I gotta clean up my mess. Like I said, I'm gonna let the wheels dry before I come back and put them up. And yeah, just move on from there. So I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. Like I told y'all before, I don't care about showing y'all where I mess up at or none of that, because I know ain't nobody perfect, and the only person that can judge me is God. You feel me? And I got it tatted on my chest too. So yeah, like I said, man, I don't mind showing y'all my mistakes, showing y'all where I mess up at or any of that. For one, this was my first time ever doing some paint remover or anything like that, or anything like that, you feel me, on some wheels or car, anything. It was my first time ever doing some paint remover. So I tried to do this little project. Didn't turn out the best, didn't even turn out great, you feel me. It got some of the paint off, but like you said, I'm gonna do a little bit more I'm gonna look up a little bit more stuff, you feel me? Try to look up some videos on people removing paint off wheels, seeing how easy it is, and see what they use, you know what I'm saying, and try to go from there. So like I said, this part 1. We're gonna do a part 2 whenever I get something else, or whenever I find out something else to use, you feel me? I wish I could get y'all opinion on it. I could drop this video sooner, but I don't want anything out of order, you feel me? I got everything in order right now, so I don't want nothing out of order, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm trying to get this stuff done. Y'all know I'm trying to go as fast as possible, trying to make sure I stay in rotation with these videos. I don't want to get out of rotation and just get out of my grind, you feel me? I'm grinding right now, and that's the whole point of me doing all this. So regardless if I mess up or not, I just want to at least get y'all a video, and then y'all see everybody ain't perfect, you feel me? Y'all see my mistakes, and like I said, I don't mind or care about showing y'all my mistakes, you feel me? It's a moment for me to learn. And for those of y'all that was trying to probably do the same thing, it was a moment for y'all to learn as well, and don't do what I just did, you know? So like I said, man, I don't mind showing y'all where I mess up, but y'all know I show y'all a lot of my mistakes, you feel me? And then yeah, a lot of y'all might criticize it and stuff, but you feel me? Like I said, it really don't bother me, you feel me? I got into this doing this content stuff, recording basically everything I do with these cars, me even trying to work on them for the first time, me not knowing everything about these cars. You feel me? It's me doing all this and recording. I got into this knowing there's gonna be people that's, for one, gonna hate, gonna down talk you, gonna tell you to give up, tell you not to do this stuff, you feel me? But you gotta learn to keep it to the side. Don't even read it, don't even bother, or don't even give it the time of day to go back and forth with the comments, you know what I'm saying? So that's why those of y'all that do comment good things and stuff, I try to reply as fast as possible. But when people comment negative stuff, I just ignore it, you feel me? Yeah, I could delete it, but why delete it? You know, it's no point, because then they could end up posting again, or maybe I could block them. Ain't no point in doing that. They commented on your videos after they already watched you. So that's one thing I be thinking about. Y'all, you already watched my video and you commented something negative, it ain't bothering me. You already gave me the view that I needed, you know? So I basically just let them argue with themselves. So yeah, man, like I said, I know it didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but it'll work out, you feel me? We'll get it done. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way up, you'll be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing, elevating together. I love y'all, appreciate y'all. Like I said, part 1, I'll catch y'all in part 2 of trying to get that paint off, and we're gonna keep going, you feel me? We're gonna keep going regardless. So love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep going first, and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.